Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into a real quick Capri Tools video on the rewards that they have going on, kind of something newer, I would say, or things have been added to it lately, so I want to share it with you guys. So if you guys buy Capri Tools, it is always good to check out the Capri Tools website over Amazon and eBay and any other website you might find Capri Tools, just because they do offer a 5% rewards back when you create an account with them, anything you purchase. Free shipping for anything over $25, and then you also have this portion on top of your 5% in rewards. So basically, if we're going to go through these, if you spend $50, you get a Capri sticker. So nothing, too fancy there. Still a really cool sticker. If you spend $100 or more, then you get a free Capri Tools bottle opener, like so. Kind of nifty. So I always thought those were kind of cool. So it's $5 normally. This is around $10. Yep, $10. You get the point. You spend $150. This is probably $15. Yeah. So, not only are you getting that 5% in rewards onto your account, but you're also getting something that correlates with the amount of money that you spend. You get a extra item in your purchase. So, $150 you get a Capri Tools patch. $200 you get to select from one of the 3 Chemical Guys items that they now have. I've never noticed these, and it says just in. So this is the Snow Foam Auto Wash. I believe this is the Watermelon. Oh, Honeydew. I actually have this one. It does smell pretty good. The Nonsense Invisible, I've also used this product. I do a lot of detailing, so I've used these products in the past. The Invisible is actually a really good one, especially if you're working on somebody that doesn't like scent, any sort of scent, especially, cleaner or, artificial scents in their vehicle. The Invisible cleaner is great because there is no scent, and it does a very good job, and it can be diluted to be used on basically anything. So it is a great cleaner. And then the Signature Series Orange Degreaser, I've never used that one, unfortunately, so I can't say how it is, but it is nice that those are there, and those range anywhere from $18 to $20. And then spend $250 or more, and you get a free Streamlight stylus pen. So this is the battery operated one, non-rechargeable, so it does include 2 of the AAA batteries for it. Still nice. It's a $30 flashlight. I believe the rechargeable ones are around $65, so it's still a good addition. And then if you spend $300 or more, you get a Capri hat. And when you add items to your cart, it's going to add up the total, and then when you go to checkout, it'll allow you to select what items are available for however much money you're spending. It'll let you pick which item you want. And then if you spend $400 or more, you get 1 free 14-ounce Yeti mug. So it is a $30 mug, and it comes in stainless or blue. And then if you spend $500 or more, you get the free Arctic backpack cooler, originally $55 that you would get for free after spending $500. So here is kind of how it works. You add all the items into your shopping cart, and then you view cart, and you can choose the eligible items that you have available for whatever you spent, and then it is added to your list. So I think this is a great little, like they've named it, way to reward yourself for whatever you buy. Not only are you getting that discount, not really a discount, but you spend $500, they're going to put 5%, not off of your total, but 5% of whatever you spend into basically your Capri Tools account that you can then spend later on the Capri website. And then you also get whatever category you fall into here. So I thought that was nice, and I wanted to share that with you guys because some of these items are new. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. If you guys have received any of these items with any of your purchases, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.